how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us vampire. It's going to be more or less like an Among Us Dracula. It's going to be super easy, simple, and for beginners. So stick around the whole video. It's only going to be an 8-minute video for the Halloween season. But by the end of the 8-minute video, you'll have a new skill. Alright? If you love drawing your favorite characters, if you love being able to learn to draw and kind of better yourself every day, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curve the top here for the visor of the Among Us crewmate. Curve down right here for the front of the visor. Go around this area. And then curve underneath. Alright, so we got that visor there, pretty much. Alrighty. If you like the subject matter, I forgot to mention this, definitely hit the like. Because the like is what gives the channel propulsion, and it will give more visibility to us. Gonna go over here, curve up. Over here, curve the top here. I'm gonna go to the front of him first, and I'm gonna draw all the way down to his leg, like so. And he's got teddy bear style feet. That's the way all the crewmates are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curve here, up, curve here for the waist, down here for the other leg. Right on. So what I'm going to do here is now I left the back open for a reason, right? The reason I'm doing that is because I am going to draw the cape. He's got this, like Dracula, old school Dracula had this kind of, how do you say this, like cowl thing going on. It was really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go outward, like so. I'm going to continue his head along the same trajectory it was before. Going to pull a line out over here, curving the side over here for kind of that collar area, and that's going to pull in over here on this side. Alright, this is going to pull outward to the cape. And line here, line, let's pull this one out more, pull this one out more even. Alright, we got that cool cape going on. So while I'm on this, I'm going to continue the back of his foot, and I'm going to try to angle it where this ends over here. I'm going to go over here on this side, pull out for the cape, the lower part of the cape. And now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to tie up, in. Going to maybe pull up here at an angle, put an extra one there. And maybe throw an extra one here. So it's this bunched up cloth, right? That's kind of what we're looking for. Let's go to this and this. We're going to fill those in because those are the far side back of the capes and they won't be catching light. And we can even go out the front for this part, the collar here out front. So we're going to go out front, in, pulling out here for the front of that cape. We could actually pull it out that direction a bit as well, but not as far because the cape's going out this way. Curve in here, up, curve back for this side of the cape. Let's put another little level to this cape on this side to make it look like it's, you know, bunching up. And then we're going to fill in this side, which is the back side of that. Alright, we got the cool, elaborate cape going on. So, what do we want next? We want... You could throw this in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to throw in the hairdo. Down. Get that widow's peak. Back. And then here. With that hairdo. That slick back hair. And I'm going to throw lines from the widow's peak there for that hairdo. Alright. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw the fangs. A smile here, or it could be a frown. And I'm going to throw one here. And another one right here. Alright, hopefully doing well. And what we're going to do here pretty much is we're going to go over here to the shine. So I'm going to pull more or less the same kind of thing going on there, same shape. And I'm going to pull down back here. And line over here. So on the shine, I'm going to throw this little thing here. I'm going to throw thin little lines going across. It's just kind of a style thing. You can try it if you want, or you can just fill it in. But I wanted to make it look, you know, kind of neat. And that's it. That is pretty much Dracula in crewmate form for Halloween. If you liked the video, if you felt you got some value out of this video, there's one thing you can do that would help out in repayment. It would be share this with a friend that you think might like it, or take about 30 seconds or so to, on the bottom right hand, if you're on YouTube, bottom right hand of the screen, there should be a share button, and it will share it to any social media platform immediately, you know, like just quick, like that. It takes like 3 seconds. Like to Twitter or Reddit or any one of those is just amazing. So if you found this to be valuable in any possible way, please, you know, give it back, pay it forward, whatever you call it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time, okay? See you later.